And I can't wait so we can break apart. To hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this, an antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't.
What up, internet? It is Abby. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing an intro based on how to render this text kind of sort of stuff for kind of something like such as a logo or ad, but I'm going to show you how to render that using Blender. So what I'm going to be doing here is just kind of showing you how to correctly render it and how to place your text. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into Google, and you're going to go to you're actually just going to go to www.dafont.com, and basically this has all sorts of fonts. It's kind of really cool, and you can just kind of snoop around, look what you like, and you're just going to find a font. Personally, I kind of like I don't know, there's a lot of stuff that I like on here, but I think I'm going to do the airplanes and night sky. So once you find one that you like, you're going to press download, and it's going to be a .zip file. You're going to go ahead and click that, and you're going to find your font, but make sure it says .ttf on it. As you can see, when I hover over it, it says airplanes in the night sky .ttf. You're going to right click that on your mouse, and you're going to say extract to specific file, and you're going to go click to desktop because that is the easiest way to get to it. And you can see that it has popped up onto as you can see, it has popped up onto my screen, and I'm going to go ahead and move that into fonts, and we're going to open up into Blender. And we're going to go ahead and delete that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick up to the top here so I can kind of see what I'm doing, and we can also delete the lamp because we are not using the lamp. So what we're going to do, instead of pressing File and Import, we're actually going to press down to Add. Go down to here. We're going to press Add Text, and it's just going to pop up. Of course, it's going to be small, but we can definitely fix that. We're going to go into Edit Mode, and we're going to backspace, and I'm just going to, you can kind of type whatever. I'm just going to say, I'm just going to put in DXNLA. Alright, and then we're going to go back into Object Mode, and then we are going to press S on our keyboard, S, and that gives us the option to make it bigger. And then we're going to go click on our camera, press 0 to get inside our camera, press Shift and F at the same time. That'll give us the ability to move freely within our camera. And we're just going to get to where we're able to hover over this nicely. And you can zoom in if you'd like, really, it doesn't matter. Probably getting them back up just a little bit. And once you have your camera situated, you're going to click on your text again, and you're going to go over to Object Data. You're going to click it, and you're going to get your font. So we're going to move down here to the font section, and we're going to go over to Regular, and we're going to click the folder Desktop, and you're going to find your font. And here is my beautiful font. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this text. Scale it just like that. That's how you scale it. 0, press X, perfect. And then we're going to go to color. We're going to go over here. We're going to click this material, press new, and we are going to kind of find a nice color that we want. I think I'm going to go for a mintish green. And then for lighting, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to World, and we're going to click Ambient, Environment, and Indirect. Ambient is optional. If you don't checkmark in Ambient, if you don't want Ambient, it's going to make your text dark. Like, let me show you real quick. Like, as you can see, it's kind of dark. It's not necessarily that color that I wanted. And if I do have Ambient, you can see definitely that it changes. Here, hang on. You can see, oh my god, ambient, render. You can see definitely that it's changed the coloring into what I liked, and it's definitely better color. Also, so we're gonna go back into this font, F kind of key, the object data, and we're going to use extrude to make this taller. As you can see, it got taller because of me moving it. Like, it can get like huge, whatever you'd like it to, and the depth makes it wide, which is also very interesting. It's very cool, and you know, kind of situate your camera if you need to, and go back to the render. And it just kind of gives you that really cool looking text. As you can see that it's definitely shaded in the corners that you'd like it to be shaded into. You can go back to world, see if you wanted ambient or not. But, you know, I think I might use the ambient for this one. Just because, you know, based on I'm not really one to use the ambient kind, but, you know, I kind of like it with that lighter green, but then also when it doesn't have the ambient, it gives you that kind of like darker, and it shows kind of the more of the shade. But I think we'll just go without this time, I guess. And then, you know, just as a regular kind, you're going to go down to shading, change the thing to transparent, well, you know, render it again, and here is your amazing, beautiful text. And as always, image, save as image, desktop, going down to my world models. We're just going to change that, and, you know, save as image, and it should be down into your images. Yep, here it is, and that is how you render your text. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short and I talk fast, but you know, I've been really busy with my newest group called Abby's GFX. Basically, I can do all sorts of, I can kind of like do my own GFX now, like, well, I know how to do my own GFX. I'm just kind of like making more Robux out of it, because you know, I've kind of been needing more Robux due to like ads and all sorts of stuff. But if you go down here to Abby's GFX, join the group, I do. GFX is for reasonable yet cheap cost, cheap yet reasonable cost, such as 1 GFX is 75 Robux and 5 GFXs is 260, which is really good considering, and I get those done within 2 to 3 days. Definitely, I've got all sorts of kind of stuff going down here, and definitely check that out. Also, if you guys did subscribe, or not subscribe, but join the Z's Coffee, that is awesome. You guys all, like, freaking rock. That is really, really, really cool that you guys joined. It's awesome. Loving it, and definitely, yeah, that's awesome. Keep joining, inviting friends and stuff. And, whew, we will see you guys next time. Have an awesome day, you know. Bye.